Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of AI score. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will go to AI score and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of AI score. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.